Alright, let's look at the homework 3.5 problem number 4. Alright, so let's use the implicit differentiation to find y prime. Alright, so we're going to take the derivative with respect to x. So we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of the left hand side, which is x times natural log of y plus 4y, and we'll do the same to the right hand side of the equation. So take the derivative of 2x cubed. Alright, so let's do that, and you can see that this is a multiplication, x times natural log of y, so we have to use the product rule. Alright, so derivative of x is 1, right, times, and next second guy, so natural log of y, plus, alright, first guy is x, then multiply by derivative of y, but derivative of natural log of y, which is 1 over y, then multiply by dy over dx. Alright, then you have plus, right, derivative of 4y would be 4 times dy over dx. Right, then the derivative of 2x cubed, so that's just a regular derivative. 2 times 3 is 6, x to the, subtract 1 from the power, so 6x squared. Alright, then I want to just combine these two guys together, since this guy has dy over dx and dy over dx here. So combine those guys and factor this out and put it right here. Alright, so we have dy over dx, and then if you factor those guys out, you're gonna get this, right, x over y, so x over y right there. Alright, so that comes from here. Alright, then you have a 4, so plus 4, so we have plus 4 there. Alright, then we can move this guy. Since this guy does not have a dy over dx, I want to put it on the other side. We can do that by subtracting natural log of y. Right, so you're going to get 6x squared minus natural log of y. Alright, then all you really have to do is divide through by quantity x minus y plus 4 of both sides. So you have a dy over dx is now isolated. Then you have 6x squared minus natural log of y divided by x over y plus 4. Alright, and if you want, since I don't like to have fraction inside a fraction, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by y. Right, that way we can get, right, so it's going to be y times 6x squared minus natural log of y all over, right, y times x over y would be just x, y times 4 is 4y plus 4y. Alright, we have that. So let's type it in. Right, so we have 6x squared, right, minus natural log of y, right, then divided by x plus 4y. Right, actually I forgot to put y here. Put y. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, so we got that. Alright, then we just have to evaluate this derivative at 1, 1. Alright, so let's do that. So dy over dx evaluated at 1, 1. So we just plug in x equals 1 and y equals 1. Alright, so y 1 times 6 times x is 1 squared minus natural log of 1 divided by 1 plus 4 times y is 1. Right? So let's see. Natural log of 1 is 0, so this is just going to be 0. So you have 6 minus 0 times 1. So obviously the top is 6. And on the bottom, 1 plus 4, so that's 5. Right? So answer is 6/5. Let's check the answer. Right, we got that. Alright, so that's it. I hope that this was clear.